Did you know you can use music to help with your child's language development? You might have already realized this since there are a lot of children's songs that many of us have grown up singing. But maybe you're not sure how to use those songs to help your child develop their language skills. I'm gonna give you a couple of fast, easy tips for babies, toddlers, and older kids. Babies' language skills usually start with them just imitating simple sounds. These are usually vowels like ah, o, oo, and then some consonants like b, d. So for babies, you're going to want to sing songs that offer a lot of opportunities for those early sounds. If All the Raindrops is a good one. Also Old MacDonald and Matilda the Gorilla. Look it up on YouTube if you haven't heard it before. Then just sing, 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 repeat, repeat, repeat. Okay, toddlers, this is where I want them to start singing with you. They're probably not gonna start out singing a whole song along with you, so just be sure to pause at the ends of phrases to offer them opportunities to fill in the blanks. This is gonna be like, row, row, row your... Did you say boat? Wheels on the Bus is also great for this. The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the... And just wait for them to fill in the blank. This is also a great time to add in some of their preferred music. So something like Let It Go from Frozen or We Don't Talk About Bruno. Sing it, leave off the end of the phrase, and pause. If they don't fill in the blank, go ahead and fill it in yourself and then keep going, try again. Preschool age kids, I want to start thinking about their creativity and expanding their vocabulary. In this one, we're gonna have them help us write the song. You're going to ask questions that they can answer like, can you think of a scary animal? Ooh, a tiger, that's a good one. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. And if you see a tiger, don't forget to scream, ah! Keep it fun, and you can do this multiple times. Make sure that you're asking them for a different example each time. Another great way to do this is to sing a song like Old MacDonald and ask them to come up with the animals. That's how you can use music to help develop your child's language skills. Try this at home and see how it goes. And don't forget to follow for more mom stuff like child development tips and product reviews.